Are you ready to uncover the secrets of building a monetizable faceless YouTube channel with AI automation? If so, here is the video I created for you. I will take you step by step through this process, from creating a YouTube channel, logo, script, video, title, description, and tags, all with AI, and all using free resources. By the time this video ends, you will not only have your own faceless YouTube channel that you can finally monetize, also be built on automation using AI. I'm talking about creating 3 months worth of YouTube chart all at once. So follow this video step by step till the end. Step 1. Finding YouTube niches. Jump into ChatGPT, 100 YouTube channel niches, and it will give you all that. So I select puzzle niches. Now, 50 gender natural names. I select Ray. 10 YouTube channel names about riddles by someone named Ray. I like Ray's Puzzle Palace. Step 2 is a simple task that only takes 2 seconds. Take a quick pause and click on this awesome button called subscribe so we can stay connected. It will also encourage me to share many more AI treasure like the one you're watching right now. Step 3. Creating logo using AI. Search generate logo using AI on Google. My favorite one is Brown Crowd. Within here, you can type your name, here your keyword, and it will generate a logo for you. From here, you can search and find your favorite one. But for me, this is the one, the puzzle one. Okay, Ray's Puzzle Palace. So you can customize this. So for downloading this, I'm going to use snipping tools to take a screenshot. So later I can remove the background using a free resources. Now let's go remove BG using AI or background. So there's a website remove.bg, and right here you can upload your image. Let's upload it to remove the background of that just in a second. So you see that. Let's download it. Now let's go to Canva and search for YouTube banner. From here, find your favorite one and customize it. For me, this one, I think this is kind of cool. I'm going to customize this. First, I will upload my logos here and then change the text to Ray's Palace. Going to change this to red. Okay, I'll customize this. Ray's Palace. Step 4. Creating YouTube channel. In the video. Step 5. Creating the script. For the script, I'm going to use ChatGPT, and here I'm going to give this as an example to create a riddle for me. So for this I need title, hook, body, option 1, option 2, option 3, and the answer. So I'm going to provide an example here. Fun riddles 101. Hook. Can you crack this? Body. What has keys but can't open locks? Option 1, a keyboard, a piano, a treasure chest. So the correct answer is a keyboard. Please ensure that your riddles are well crafted, engaging, and provide a satisfied things. So now I will ask, can you put this all in a chart? So this will provide me a good one. Now the second option is to use Excel to paste all this data within your Excel file. Go to your Excel and paste it. Title, hook, body, option 1, option 2, option 3, and the answer. Now I'm going to ask, create about 200 more similar riddles. So it will start generating that for me. Now I'm going to copy each of them step by step and paste them in the Excel file. Okay, I think this part is enough. Now, step 6, creating videos. For creating video, I will use Canva. Go to Canva, open mobile video. First, go to element to create a background for your video. From here, you can search for video and find your favorite video and use it as a background. So this one, I think this is cool, and I will select this as a background. So from here, you can remove the voice, mute this video. I think this is good for my background. Now it is time to go and select the title, go to text, add a heading, and here paste the text and adjust this. As you see, it's not kind of cool, right? And I'm going to add a background to this text. So adjust it, change the color for the background. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Let's go back, change this. This kind of color, it looks nice. Now, time for the hook. I will copy this from the Excel file and here let's add a new text. This time it's going to be a sub heading and paste it here. Make it a bit bigger, adjust it until you find this till it satisfies you. Let's add a background overlay to the whole video because it's very bright. I'm going to add a black overlay to this. I will change it to black, and from this transparency I will change it to about 40 maybe. It looks nice. Okay, now to make sure that it is fine and send this to back, right click here and go to layers and send to back or backward. Now it looks nice. So now let's select this text and let's change the color to white and make it a bit bigger. Change the font to your desired font and make it a bit bigger. Now it looks nice for me. So now it is time to use an image at the bottom to point app. So search for pointing app in the element. I think this image, you see this girl, it looks nice, but it has a background. If you want to remove the background for this, it's better to download this. Okay, so I will download this image. So let me customize this a bit and then download it. Go to the website, remove.bg, and then upload it, remove its background, and then download it. Go to your Canva, upload it to your data from here, then use it here. Now it looks really nice, okay? Pointing app. Let's add some animation to the text, everything which is in the video. Also for the image, it will pop up. Search here and find the one you like. Body and paste it here. Let's customize it and add a background color of white. Okay, add animation. It looks nice, I think. Now fix the timing. Okay, it's nice. Now it is time to go to options, and I will copy and paste this and then change the color. So this is the first option, a globe. Then I will copy and paste it, and the second option, it is a map. So adjust this. Okay, the third option, paste it here, a desert. Now let's fix the timing. When the first option is finished, the second one must show app, and you need to handle this in correct way. When you right click on the item and show timing, it will show the timing for you. Okay, it is nice but not perfect, so I will move this app here. Okay, when the text is finished, this will show app. That's not kind of cool. That is good, but not perfect. Let's change this a bit more. Add a animation to that. Options. Now it looks nice. Okay, when that is finished, then let's add a timer to our video. To add a timer, you need to go to Pixabay and search for the timer. So this is the one I like. I'm going to download it and then upload it to Canva. Here in the Canva, I will use it for my video. I will customize it, adjust it according to the one I need. Okay, so now you see it looks like this, but still it has a lot of problem. We need to fix it. The length of the video is very long, and it's going to be about 20 seconds maybe. I will adjust the options with the timer. Okay, when it is 0, now we must have the answer. Okay, so now let's go and grab the answer, and within here let's copy one of this, and I will paste the answer, and we need to change the color. Okay, let's change it to green. It looks nice, and let's make it bold, a bit bigger, move it up. Now it looks nice. When other option is disappeared, this must show up like this, a map. Okay, that looks nice of it. Now we need a celebration, so search for celebration, and this one looks nice, and it's for free. When options are disappeared, we need to show up this celebration. Now this is the video. It looks like this. Okay, cool, but still there is one thing missing, and that is the music. Wow, the music. We have to find a music. So for the music, again, I'm going to go to Pixabay, and from here you can find a free music, your favorite one. So I will download one of this and I will upload it to Canva and I can use it. I will use it for my video. I will adjust it. Now it looks like this. That is nice of it, okay? Now it is time to automate the rest of the process. Hit on the app. And here search for bulk creation and select this one. You need to have the Canva Pro. It has a free trial for 30 days. You can cancel it anytime. You don't need to pay any money for this. Once you sign up, this is how it looks like. Enter data manually, hit that and clean this data from here. And now go back to your Excel file and select the whole data. Select title, hook, body, and all the options with answers. Select them and copy them. And move back to Canva, paste it here, hit done. Perfect. Now it is done. Now it is time to add the title. Select them and connect them. Okay, title and the body must be connected with body, hook with hook, and the body must be connected with body. Option 1 must be connected with option 1, and option 2 must be connected with option 2. Option 3 must be connected with option 3, and the answer must be connected with the answer. Now that all this done, it is time to come back here and hit continue and generate 30 pages. Hit generate, and in a second you will be having all your videos ready here. Perfect, right? Now it is time to download it. For downloading, make sure to check download pages as separate files and hit download. Now time for uploading the video. Move back to ChatGPT, ask for title, tags, and description. So it will provide it for you. The title, the description, the tags, all ready here. Now it is time to go and upload the video. So first, let's select the title, and I will paste it here. Move back to ChatGPT, select the description, copy, and paste it in the description. For the tags, it generated tags as well. I will copy the tags and paste it here. Now let's hit next. Click. No issue found. Now hit next. Next. Next, and let's hit public and publish this video. Congratulations, now you have your YouTube channel completely automated. But make sure that everything is about consistency. If you continue building this, you're gonna have a lot of viewers, you're gonna have a lot of subscribers. So every day upload new videos. Have fun. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.